Hello, hello. I'm back. I'm gonna finally do real videos. I didn't have a plan before, but I have a plan, and it's to run my little farm, which actually it's called This Little Farm, and you can visit thislittlefarm.net. The link will be in the description. Yeah, I'm gonna start doing some cool things. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm excited. And we're going to start with a little introduction of myself, which you can find on the website as well. My name is Summer Rain. I go by Summer Ghost on this channel. I'm 22 and I'm a recent graduate from Purdue University. I got my BA in linguistics and a minor in German. But my true passion, my biggest passion, is chickens and ducks. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm really excited about it. So I guess now I'm gonna give you a tour of this little farm. Okay, our first stop is the chicks. My little 3-week-old chicks, and they are right here in the garage, so we'll turn around and see. It's a little bit homemade. Their brooder is a little bit homemade. I'm gonna work on building a really nice one for chicks in the future. Okay, so here's their little area. Got some bedding and some food. And this is just a dog crate with some lamps. And it's kind of hard to see them, but they're in there. So there they are. They're just chilling. I'm going to think about getting them outside next week. Hi. So I've got some Buff Orpingtons, some Rhode Island Reds, some Copper Marins, a Silver Wyandotte, and that white one with the giant feathers, that's Chickpea. She's an Americana. I'm going to do a different blog post, I think, about her because she's a little bit of an odd case. Even though she's the same size as these 3-week-olds, she's actually 5 weeks old. So I'm hoping that she'll grow up. Looks like she's getting some feathers. But yeah, I'm gonna do another post about her specifically in the future. Okay, so here we are. This is the backyard. We've got this electric fence that runs around it that you can barely see. So I'm gonna turn that off before going inside. Alright, and so now we're inside the yard. Here are my full-grown chickens. Pot Pie is here in the front. Hi, Pot Pie. Jonker's in the back, and there's Stu all the way back there. He's my rooster. I got him as a rescue, but he's been really good to my hens. And Honey is way back there. She's a little bit more skittish. There's Junkers. And these are the pools for the ducks with an awning for some shade. The pools look really dirty. Would you believe that I clean them out every single day? The ducks are so messy. Alright. So here are my 5-week-old chicks. They're outside and they're loving it. Hi. Hi, little ones. How are you doing? So that in the front is an Americana. She's the same breed and age as Chickpea, which we just saw before. And that in the back is Lime. And I've got some beautiful golden Wyandottes. Those are some Australorps. And I think that's all I've got out here. Golden Wyandottes, Americanas, and Australorps. They're hanging out in the shade, so it's harder to see them. Oh, here we go. I'm really excited for them to grow up. Oh, hi, Lime. And that's their food and water. It's a giant waterer, but it hangs down low enough so that even though they're short, they can drink the water without it being on the ground. Because when the water's on the ground, it gets really gross. We've got this tarp on top in case it rains, because I'm a little bit of a mother hen, and I don't want them to get wet because they're so young. But here's inside. It's pretty cozy in there. We've got another feeder and another waterer. There's a heater in there too for colder nights that might happen. This is the deck shed. It's really nothing fancy. They have special bedding. I get pellet equine bedding because it's more water absorbent, and so if I just used pine shavings it would be sopping wet. And you can tell that they're molting because there are feathers everywhere. Thank you, Stu. And there's some ducks. They like to hang out underneath the nest boxes. I don't know if you can see them, but I can get about. There goes some ducks. I have 6. Oh, there she is. They're still in their juvenile feathers right now. But I think I have 2 males, so I'm gonna update progress on that and maybe take some pictures of the males in particular. And then this is my big, super nice coop. The nest boxes are really nice too. And those aren't actual eggs, they're ceramic eggs. So I'm gonna leave them in there. Yep, I haven't gotten a honey egg yet. She lays light green eggs. Here's the inside of this coop. I'm gonna put the water there when the chicks are done in that little coop, and it's pretty nice. I'd like to put another roosting bar up because I think that would be cool. But Stu likes to roost all the way up there, and Honey roosts in this little spot in the roof, which I think is funny. Okay guys, Stu's crowing right now, but that's all I have for a tour today. I don't have a whole bunch going on yet, but I'm working on building it up, and I'm really excited about that. So I will see you in the next video. Bye!